Dear students, my name is DN Sukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, in this video, I have taken a topic tense, that is chapter number 7 in your book. Dear student, firstly we will talk about the tense. There are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Tense is time. And here in this video we will talk about simple tenses. There are three simple tense: simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. So we will talk about these three types of tense. Firstly, simple present tense. First form of the verb or root form, or you can say base form of the verb, is used in simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to state a universal truth or universal fact. For example, the moon is the earth's only satellite. The earth revolves around the sun. So these are the universal fact. To describe something that has been happening for some time and is still continuing in such a matter, we will use simple present tense. The Mehtas live in Mumbai. She is a singer. To refer to something that happens regularly or habitually, mean to say to represent habitual fact, we use simple present tense. My father reads the newspaper every morning. He swims a lot. A dog bark. In proverbs that are considered to be permanent truths, for example, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Fortune favors the brave. Now we will talk about simple past tense. Dear student, in simple past tense, the second form of the verb, the another name is past form of the verb, is used. When we refer to an action that has already been completed before the time of speaking, then we use simple past tense. It snowed yesterday in Simla. She cooked the delicious meal last afternoon. Second point is given here to indicate that something was done in the past as a habit. My mother always enjoyed gardening. As a young girl, I exercised a lot. And now some more points are given here. To express an action that occurred over a period of time in the past, then we use simple past tense. I lived in New Delhi till the age of 5. To express simple future tense, we often use will. We can also use shall. Now we will talk about simple future tense. So in simple future tense, you will use first form of the verb, that is base form of the verb or root form of the verb, and the helping verb will and shall can be used. When we decide to do something at the time of speaking, there is no flour to bake a cake. Don't worry, I will go and get some. To make a promise, thank you for the book, I will return it by Monday afternoon. To offer to do something, you look feverish, I will call a doctor. To ask somebody to do something, will you please get me a glass of water? I am feeling very thirsty. And to express an action over which we have no control, the shop will remain closed tomorrow, the school will remain open on Monday. To express the speaker's view, It is very cold today. I don't think I will go out. So, dear student, here these are the rules of simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. You have to learn all the rules of these simple tenses. In our next video, we will talk about the continuous tenses. Thank you very much for watching this video.